Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and today's video is gonna be me demonstrating how I got this hairstyle. Okay, so if you want to continue watching me like just glamorify my hair because my hair was a mess, continue watching. And yes, my hair was all over the place, but as you see now, I'm looking proper and clean and looking like I love myself, because I was looking like I ain't touched my hair for months. So continue watching if you want to see me do my hair, get this really cute bun with these fleeky edges. So yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, rate, and subscribe to my video, or to my channel, whatever it is. Like my video, subscribe to my channel. So I got my heart and whatever. I kind of just started off with wet hair. I just went this side, I went this side. Take some cream, apply it to me. So just apply it to your hair. So just smooth it out like, just the key is to really push it down with your hand and smooth it out. Like, so this is like the worst part for me because my hair never is enough for like a rubber band. So I know I should use this one. It's gonna definitely break. I'm gonna use this one. I looped it 3 times. So once you're done, just comb everything. So just comb everything again. Brush everything to smooth out your bumps. So this is how it looks. So you can either leave this or like put it in a bun or whatever. I usually like to have mine in a bun. I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk or I'm high, and I'm both right now. So to make this into a bun, you're just gonna like fluff it out, right? And then so you're gonna fluff it out and then just like spread it out like you're about to do a donut bun. Like just separate it, like put your hands in your ponytail, like create a center. Just out of nowhere, just take one side and just wrap it. And then just take your hair and like tuck it under and pull. I hope you guys can see this. Pull your hair and wrap and tuck under. Like, and then just like slide it under your hair. So that's how you do your bun. And then like for fun, I like to like take out a small piece of hair. Like a little curl from the back, and I like to take out like a curl. But since I'm going to bed, I'm not gonna do that right now. This is my style. The side thingy, and it's like, and mind you, let me tell you about my hair. My hair does not like to stay in place ever. So if I can do it, you can do it, okay? So all I did was use water, Eco Solid Gel, don't mind this container I put in here because we get the big jar, and so I take some. So Eco Gel, this brush, I don't know what this brush is called, I don't know if it has a name, but that's how it looks. That's how you do it.